Welcome back to the channel. In this guide, I'll show you how to check your call history on your Google account. This can be useful if you need to review previous calls, confirm activity, or keep track of your communication records. Let's go step by step. First, open your web browser, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can control different settings. Next, click on the Data and Privacy section from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find information and settings related to how your data is stored and managed. Scroll down until you find the section related to Google Services. From there, navigate to Google Drive if instructed, and open the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon. Inside Settings, locate Manage Apps. This section shows data connected to different applications linked to your account. Look for any option related to call history. If available, you'll be able to view its status and manage the settings. Keep in mind that call history data may not appear for all accounts. It depends on the Google services you use and how your account is configured. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and easy to follow. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more guides on the channel.